Hey guys, Sally here. Thanks for hanging out with me. As always, I really appreciate the time that you take to be here with me and pay attention to what's coming out on the channel. And in that vein, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Hit that thumbs up, hit the notification bell so you find out what's coming up next. And if you think you're already subscribed, please double check to make sure that you are, because YouTube has been spontaneously unsubscribing people. Not just me, it's been happening to a lot of other creators as well. Now, as I said, I really appreciate the fact that you're here. I want to give you a heads up and a full confession. I am actually putting out videos that are about a year old, stuff I recorded about a year ago, because I'm chronicling my journey as I've moved through the RV life, and I'm doing it for a couple of different reasons. One is because I think it's kind of interesting to see how my attitude has changed about full-time RV living as the almost year and a half that I've been doing it full-time. And I think there is also some value in some of my earlier material as well. So I hope you think so as well. And we'll see you on the other side of the intro. Well, when I got here yesterday afternoon, there were already 3 rigs here. And in the time that I was in the tasting room, 3 more showed up. There were actually 6 of us here overnight. I'm the last one out, just about 9:30 in the morning, and got a bunch of work done, so I thought I'd let you see what it looks like going out. It's really quite an attractive place. They're super friendly.
In 600 feet, turn right onto California 140 West.
It's really quite an attractive place. They're super friendly. And I always enjoy my time here. I imagine this might have been the original house for the property that we're passing by right now. But that's the tasting room. They've got a little gift shop. And then over to the right there's a big picnic area. They always have games and stuff set up. Couple of cool old trucks on the property. There's one straight ahead. And I think that building over there is their event venue. They do a lot of weddings and stuff like that here. Cool place.
Head southeast toward California 140 East, then turn right onto California 140 West. Head west, then make a U-turn. Turn right onto California 140 West. Continue on California 140 West for 5 miles.
So our first stop today is going to be at the gym. Looking forward to that. Because I've missed 2 gym sessions recently. And then I think once I finish up in the gym, I might be ready for a little food. We'll see. See how that goes. But it's really nice to be able to, do everything I need to do from the road. So this is day 2 of what feels like my full-time journey. You know, I had a couple of month-long practice runs, and each one went better than the last, so that was good. But I imagine I'm probably about due, I don't want to speak this into existence, but I'm probably about due for some of the kinds of things that wind up happening to full-time RVers. You know, things break, that kind of stuff. Let's hope not. I think I'm pretty well up on maintenance. I've done everything I should. I actually have 2 things I want to repair when I get stopped this afternoon. One is a trim strip by the door entry, and the other is a piece of trim molding that I broke off of the slide trim a month or so ago. Last month I think it was, because I had something in the way when I was either bringing the slide in or taking it out, can't remember which. So yeah, I guess I am running into those things already. Alright, we've got about 15 minutes to get to the gym, and then I'll check back in with you later. Got a fun thing I want to do on my way to my next stop. I'm going to check out a historical museum kind of thing, so I'll get back with you. Okay, well, I had a really great gym workout, and I'm at Planet Fitness and decided to check out the hydro massage chair, so that was nice and relaxing afterwards as well. Just doing a quick check-in. I'm sitting here in a Walmart parking lot that I drove about 10 miles out of my way to get to, thinking it was a super center so I could pick up some groceries. And I was feeling fairly vindicated by that decision when I pulled into the lot. There were at least 4 other RVs here. But this is not a super center, it's just a large Walmart with no groceries, basically. I mean, they've got some canned goods, but not much else. So, because I was really ready for some food after my big workout this morning, I decided to go ahead and sit here and make lunch. So, I've just made my lunch right here. I got a big old bowl of salad with some greens and some leftover roasted turkey, tomatoes, leftover corn on the cob. Trying to get the lighting right. There we go. Leftover corn on the cob and cucumbers. Yeah. So we're gonna try that out. Just a little balsamic and olive oil, salt and pepper. That's it. Good stuff. This is one of the things I love about traveling in my RV, is my ability to be able to pull over and stop, make food that I know is going to be good for me, and go on to my next thing. So I'm gonna eat my lunch and go on to my next thing. See you soon. Well, here we are at Hilmar Cheese in Hilmar, California, and we're stopping by here because where I'm going to park for the evening is at Ken Van Fakken, I think I'm saying that correctly, dairy farm, and he supplies milk for the cheese here. So we're gonna go check that out and see what we got. Let's take a look inside. So, pretty good sized layout here. They've got a cafe, gift shop, jams and jellies and all that kind of stuff. No idea if it's actually local or not, but we're going to check out the cheese. Apparently they do samples, so we'll see what that looks like. We are in dairy country, and so far all the dairy farms that I've seen have been pretty confined feeding operations.
Turn right onto Techno Road.
I'm going to be staying on a dairy farm this evening, so it's going to be interesting to find out if this has happy cows, as they used to show in the cheese commercials, where happy cows come from California.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the left.
Or if I'm going to have the same confined feeding operation here. We'll see. I want to keep an open mind. Slow down some, because man, this road's kind of rough. Well, I know I'm supposed to be staying in a big red barn. I see one over there on the left. I wonder if that's my destination. I think it might be. Oh, must be. There's an RV there already. And it says Purpose House.
Your destination is on the left.
Alright, well, here we go. At least here, it doesn't appear that we're dealing with confined animal feeding operations, so that's good news. We shall see. GoPro, stop recording. And after a fun-filled day, here's where I get to spend the evening. A beautiful sunset, only one other RV there, and we had a great time hanging out together. I hope you did too. Hey, thanks for hanging out with me. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and always remember to sally forth, live your best life, go out and adventure in whatever way works for you.